Today, we're delving into a topic that's the cornerstone of financial success: creating a budget. Now, you might be thinking, budgeting, isn't that just restricting my spending? Well, not quite. A budget serves as a personalized financial roadmap, providing clarity on income, expenses, and financial goals. And understanding the importance of budgeting is crucial for achieving financial success. Now, the idea of budgeting might seem daunting, but fear not. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets of creating a budget and, more importantly, why you need one. Whether you're a seasoned budgeting pro or just dipping their toes into the financial waters, this guide is tailored for you. So, buckle up as we journey through the intricacies of budget creation and discover the compelling reasons why having a budget is a non-negotiable step on the path to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the how, let's start with the what and why of budgeting. So, what exactly is a budget? In personal finance, a budget is more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's your financial game plan, your roadmap to navigate the twists and turns of income and expenses. At its core, a budget helps you take control of your money and make intentional decisions about how you allocate your resources. Let's break it down. A budget typically includes two main components: income and expenses. Your income section lists all the money coming in, whether it's your salary, side hustle earnings, or any other source. On the flip side, the expenses section details where your money is going, from essential bills like rent and utilities to discretionary spending like dining out or entertainment. Now let's talk about the purpose of a budget. So, why do we need a budget? First, a budget provides clarity. It helps you understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. It's like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, everything becomes clear. Knowing your income and expenses gives you a solid foundation to make informed financial decisions. Second, a budget is not just about tracking dollars and cents. It's about setting and achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, a budget allows you to allocate your resources intentionally. It's like giving your money a purpose. Third, a budget helps you manage spending and debt. A budget acts as a guardrail, helping you avoid unnecessary financial pitfalls. It empowers you to control your spending, pay down debt strategically, and avoid the stress that often comes with financial uncertainty. Fourth, a budget gives you flexibility. Life is full of surprises, right? That's where the flexibility of a budget comes in. It's not a rigid plan, but a dynamic tool that can be adjusted to accommodate changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals. It's your financial GPS that recalculates the route when unexpected detours happen. And lastly, the ultimate purpose of a budget is to give you peace of mind. Instead of financial chaos, you're in control. You know where your money is going, you're working towards your goals, and you're better prepared for whatever life throws at you. Now let's dive into the how. Let's explore the different budgeting methods and find the perfect fit for your financial journey. First up, we have the classic zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting, also known as the give every dollar a job method, is a game changer when it comes to managing your money. The core principle? Make sure your income minus your expenses equals zero. It's all about assigning every dollar a specific purpose, leaving no room for financial ambiguity. Zero-based budgeting provides unparalleled clarity. It gives you a precise understanding of where your money is going and empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Plus, it's incredibly flexible. You can adjust your budget as priorities shift. So how does it work? Start with your total income for the month. Then, allocate that income to various expense categories, savings, and debt repayment until you've reached zero. Every dollar has a job, whether it's covering necessities, funding your emergency fund, or paying off that lingering credit card debt. Zero-based budgeting forces you to prioritize your spending. It's not just about paying bills, it's about intentional financial decision-making. You decide where your money goes, ensuring that it aligns with your goals and values. Emergency funds and savings take center stage in a zero-based budget. By allocating a portion of your income to these categories, you're building a financial safety net. This proactive approach prepares you for unexpected expenses and sets the stage for long-term financial security. Of course, like any budgeting method, zero-based budgeting comes with its challenges. It requires discipline and active management. Sticking to the plan and resisting the urge to overspend in one category at the expense of another can be tough. But the rewards far outweigh the challenges. Next on the list is the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a fantastic budgeting approach that provides a straightforward and balanced way to manage your money. The rule breaks down your income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. Let's explore how this simple yet effective method can bring harmony to your financial life. Here's the breakdown. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are your essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and other must-haves. Then, 30% is allocated to wants. These are the things that bring joy and comfort, like dining out, entertainment, or that monthly streaming subscription. Finally, 20% goes to savings and debt repayment, building your financial foundation for the future. The brilliance of the 50-30-20 rule lies in its simplicity. It automatically creates a balance between addressing your immediate needs, allowing for some indulgences, and securing your financial future. It's like having a built-in harmony in your budget, making sure you're not sacrificing one aspect of your financial well-being for another. What's also great about this rule is its flexibility. While it provides a general guideline, you can tailor it to fit your unique circumstances. If you're in a high cost of living area, your needs might take up more than 50%, and that's okay. The key is to ensure that you're striking a balance that works for you. Now let's talk about the envelope system. The envelope system is a budgeting method that puts the power of cash in your hands, literally. It's a simple yet effective way to manage discretionary spending and ensure that you stick to your financial plan. Let's explore how this method works and why it might be the budgeting strategy you've been looking for. Here's the gist of it. For certain spending categories, like groceries, entertainment, or dining out, you allocate a specific amount of cash for each category. You put that cash into designated envelopes, and that's your spending limit for the month. When the envelope is empty, that's it. No more spending in that category until the next month. The envelope system offers a range of benefits. It promotes conscious spending. When you see physical cash depleting, it creates a visual reminder of your budget, helping you think twice before purchasing. It's a powerful way to curb impulse spending and stay on track. One of the common challenges in budgeting is overspending, right? The envelope system acts as a built-in safeguard against this. Once the cash in the envelope is gone, it's a clear signal that you've reached your spending limit. It's a practical approach to ensure you're living within your means. Now, you might wonder, why use cash when digital transactions are so convenient? Well, using cash adds a tactile and psychological element to your spending. It makes you more aware of where your money is going and can be especially helpful for those looking to break free from credit card dependency. The envelope system is flexible too. You can adjust the cash allocation based on your spending patterns and needs. If you have money left over in an envelope at the end of the month, you can decide whether to roll it over to the next month or reallocate it to another category. It's all about what works best for you. Another fantastic budgeting method is pay yourself first. The idea behind pay yourself first is simple yet transformative. It's a financial principle that encourages you to prioritize saving before allocating funds to other expenses. Treating your savings as a non-negotiable expense ensures that you're building wealth from the beginning of your financial journey. In a traditional budget, savings often come last after paying bills and covering other expenses. Pay yourself first flips that script. It's about shifting the mindset from saving whatever is left to saving first, making your financial future a priority rather than an afterthought. One key aspect of pay yourself first is automation. Set up automatic transfers or contributions to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you receive your income. This ensures that your savings goal is met consistently, eliminating the temptation to spend those funds elsewhere. A significant part of Pay Yourself First is directed towards building an emergency fund. This financial cushion provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, helping you avoid high-interest debt when life throws curveballs your way. It's a foundational step toward financial resilience. Now, like any financial principle, Pay Yourself First comes with its challenges. Some may argue they don't have enough to save, but the key is to start small and gradually increase as your income grows. Consistency is the key to success in adopting this mindset. And lastly, let's not forget the hybrid approach. You don't have to stick to just one method. Feel free to mix and match elements from different approaches to create a budgeting strategy that suits your unique needs and preferences. And there you have it, Budgeting Champions. The ins and outs of creating a budget and why it's an absolute game changer for your financial journey. As you step into the world of budgeting, remember that it's not about restriction, it's about liberation. It's about taking control of your finances, shaping your financial destiny, and achieving the dreams that matter most to you. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a budgeting beat. Until next time, happy budgeting, and here's to a future filled with financial success and freedom.